Hi, I'm Carl Rides and welcome to this unboxing video of the Benuo Premium Genuine Leather Band for Apple Watch Series 1, 2, 3 and Edition. The one I have here is for the 42mm Apple Watch in black. The watch strap comes in this very nice black box with a plastic see-through top on it. To open, you simply lift up the top flap to reveal the watch strap itself inside. The strap feels very nice and has a nice premium feel to it, and the back is very soft to the touch as well. The connectors are made from metal and seem very sturdy, as does the clasp at the other end as well. So you should have no problems with this item breaking, although I've only had it for a couple of days, so I can't give any kind of review on its longevity. The connectors fit really nicely into the strap attachment points on the Apple Watch itself. Now, day to day, I use an official Apple black nylon band for my everyday use, but if you're looking for something more formal, a bit more professional, maybe you're going on a night out or you've got a business meeting to go to and you want your Apple Watch to match up with your suit and everything like that, then this watch strap may be the one for you. If you want to check it out for yourself, I'm going to leave a link to the product on Amazon in the description below. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing video. If you have, hit that like button and subscribe if you're new to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!